Ugh, I can't waste my breath on a balloon. I have more expensive tastes. Getting ready to become the captain of my own ship.
Wow!
And I'm bored.
And I need that. Hey, if it's handcrafted, I can make one too. Getting ready to become the captain of my own ship. Time to fill the sails with the wind. I'll make it officially mine with a flag. Captain on deck, time to sail away. Made of foam, fueled by imagination.
Huh? That needs to be mine.
You'll pay that much for this? Ka-ching! It's yours!
Best thing money can buy.
Whoa! Where am I?
Is this a nightmare?
I'm super rich!
And I'm super poor. I could use some light in here. Let's plug this in. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me.
Huh? I'm scared of the dark. What's that? Wow! A magical gaming cube? I wonder what'll happen if I turn here. Oh, cute! The ladybug is traveling! Come here! Now here! I think I got it!
We fixed the lights, miss.
Okay, thanks! But this game's too fun to quit.
Wow, I wish I had that too. I'm not a tech genius, but maybe I can make something like that. With cardboard and some creativity. Oh, and glue. Can't forget that. Cube done. So cute! Now let's add some color to all the sides. Taping all these tiny cubies is the last step. See? Easy. It's not rocket science. Okay, I think it's done. Yay! This is beginner level hard, but it'll have to do. Already know how to solve it.
Oh, lots of toys! It feels like Christmas. Time to play! Okay, next. I choose you. Wow! Pick one. Fantasy or science fiction? I'll test the VR glasses now. Ooh, that felt too real!
I'm so bored. Wish these were Ant-Man and Aquaman. Huh? Where did this come from? Ew. Hope this is just glue. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to run and wash my hands. Aha! I know what to do with this random slime. This'll be the squishiest brain game ever made. The plastic bag is filled. Next, I'll grab a marker and draw a maze. Some lines, some turns. Ready? Player 1 has entered the game. Made it in 5 minutes. And it's still smarter than half the apps on your phone. Gotta guide it through, nice and slow. This is peak gameplay.
Time to wake up. Okay, what's on today's schedule? Looks like I have a busy day ahead. Let's get going then. Mr. Alfred!
Yes, ma'am.
A little help?
Sure, ma'am.
You can start by cleaning the floors. More over here. 5,010. Ew, this one's crinkly.
Here's today's dress.
No way!
How about this?
Nuh-uh. Ooh, this'll be perfect. See?
Couldn't agree more.
Phew, to-do list completed. Huh? Can't believe he's still sleeping. And at this hour? Unacceptable. I should wake him up. And I know how. Rise and shine.
Oh, 5 more minutes, Mom. What the? This is cruel! Not funny, man! Not funny! You!
You lazy boy, it's almost 2 p.m.
Really? Whoa, I can't believe I slept that long. Hey, I'm not lazy. I just need an alarm clock. Hey, maybe I can make one. Just crafting the next must-have accessory. No biggie. A little color here, a little shine there. Who needs pixels when you've got paint? Apps? Notifications? Nah, these screens run on imagination. Every second of my day will be better with my cat. Calls, time, maps. Yep, my cardboard watch does it all. It works in screen switch mode. Nothing's stopping me from multitasking. Butler! Where… Oh, right. We swapped places. Well, time to get to work.
Oh, it suddenly got super chilly in here. I might need an even cozier jacket than this. I'll turn the heat on. Ugh, now it's too hot. I feel like I'm gonna melt. Back to cold. Oh, it's like this AC only has 2 settings. It's either Arctic blast or lava pit. No in between. I feel so sweaty. Huh? Oh no!
What's wrong, miss?
The AC broke.
Ah, I got you. Fear not. Feeling better now?
What the? No, you don't need to do that.
Very well. Allow me to try something even better.
Much better. Thanks, you're the best.
My room feels like the North Pole. Please, window, just stay shut this time. Nope, still freezing. Please work, I'm begging you. Oh, finally I can feel my fingers again. Huh? What's happening? No. Guess my room's a sauna now. Luxury on a budget. Too bad it comes with free heat stroke. All I want is AC. Is that too much to ask? Okay, I'll make one. I mean, not an AC, obviously, but a cool cooling fan. It's super simple. No butler needed to make one for yourself. Now watch this. And ta-da! Am I a genius or what? The best part? It's travel size, so you can take it everywhere with you.
Whoa! Too heavy. And too big to carry. Ugh. I'm not gaming. It's for my driver's license. Slow and safe.
Hey!
Wait, let me pull over. What's up?
Oh, nothing.
Wanna join my ride?
Well, if you insist.
Okay, you can watch me play from over there.
It's my break time. Huh? Wow! Go faster! Oh, this house needs more privacy. There. Much better. Back to my break. Oh man, now I have no entertainment. And I'm someone who's easily bored. Not a good combo. Don't worry, I'm not gonna burn the place down or anything. I've got a craftastic idea. I only need these 4 matchboxes to make an instant entertainment system. And some drawing skills. Now loading. The best graphics my pen can create. This is 100% HD quality. Vroom, vroom, it's the fastest car in town. And we're off, speeding through the city streets. Watch out, sharp turn coming up. Nailed it. Oh, so dusty.
And… boom!
Don't do that again.
Sorry, not sorry!
You know I hate pranks.
Oops!
My turn.
Huh?
Oh, I'm trying to work here.
Oh, I'm so not done yet. Come on, everybody likes bubbles!
Not if you have to clean them. Ah, enough!
Hey!
HR will hear about this. I mean your mom and dad. Wow, this must be my lucky day. Psst.
Huh?
Psst.
Who? Me?
Yeah, I have an idea. Bubbles are not only for pranks and fun, you can make art with them too. Now I'll show you how. You need a generous amount of liquid soap. And some food dye. Can't go wrong with that. I'm gonna create a masterpiece. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles. How cool is this? Yeah, it's way better than I imagined.
Hey, look outside!
I'm still mad at you two. But okay. Wow, that looks magical. We made you your own rainbow. Aw, I forgive you. Wait a second. You! It's you! Well…
Oops.
You are a member of this house. Thanks.